Hello student, good evening. Today I choose the topic Human Health and Diseases. It is very important chapter of class 12 and so many questions comes in the CBSE board examinations which are going to start from February month. Seeing to this exam I have prepared this topic. So human health and diseases. First you know that what is health. You also uh, hearing in the society so many saying that you should keep your health good. So what is health? Health is the physical, mental and social well-being of life. Means the person who is known as healthy, that if they are physically and mentally and socially means become that good. Physically means physical there is no problem, means any kind of disease and other all fitness of body, and mentally they should be fit, and socially whatever environment he live it should be means in there is healthy atmosphere in the society. Suppose that he lives in any colony, the mutual understanding to each other and healthy conversation among the people. If three things are that you fit, that is known as that person is healthy, and that is known as health. Health is the definition. And then question come how to maintain good health. Whatever means things you do in your life that become you good. So you have categorized in the three group: physical exercise, yoga, and balanced diet. You know that physical exercise is very necessary. You daily or routine in life. Nowadays, so many person not pay attention on physical exercise. They are involved in the many means activity. They doing that sitting job, but no activity going physically. This causes very means serious problem in the body. The physical exercise must be necessary in daily routine of life. After the yoga, nowadays everyone aware the know the yoga. So many means online and other Baba Ramdev also doing the yoga by fitness of body. The yoga is a very important things that you can maintain your means life fit and healthy. And next one balanced diet, and that is very means burning question nowadays. So many person also means taking lunch and um, lunch, breakfast and dinner. But whatever things they are in food should be in balance means amount. Suppose that you taking balanced diet means all the means commodities, all the things should be present in the proper quantity in your food. Then your body become means healthy and fitness, and also develop good immune on body. Na? So what is then these questions come to what interferes good rest? What things by what are you doing activity that our health become means disturbed. So the factor which disturb our health, that is known as diseases. You also know that diseases. So many kind of diseases present in the atmosphere, means there microorganism present, and by which you means disturb that body and causes problems. So diseases categorized into two means subgroup, that is symptom of disease and sign of disease. How can you know that any disease? Symptom of disease means when any means problem in your body, then you also observe in your body that symptoms also arise in the body, and it indicates that something wrong in going on the body. You suppose that fever, you are not feeling good, and weakness and other things. So that is something wrong when in the body happening. Then it is a signal of that signify your body that any disease suffering in the body. And next one, sign of disease. What is sign of disease? Means when diseases happen in the body, then any means indications come in the body, that means by which you can confirm that disease, the person is suffering from any disease. So and presence of means diseases, what particles present, which particles means by which the body suffer from disease. Means in that atmosphere so many kind of means that is microorganism present, that causes problem. So then questions come, which factor responsible that causes disease in our body. That is known as, first one you come that pathogen. Pathogen, what is pathogen? You also known as means very small microorganism present, that is also known as bacteria, virus and lichen. That if you define that, what is pathogen? Microbes that causes disease. Any microbes, what are microbes? Microbes means any that what are microorganisms. You cannot see with naked eye. With the help of microscope you can see. Na? That is the micro bacteria, virus and pathogen diseases. Eh? So and what on which diseases they act? That is known as host. What is host? Organ that the microbes attack infect. And the organ in our body, so many type of organ present, means then organ system form our body. So organ like liver, kidney, our digestive system and other things present. So that infect on that particular organ, that is known as host. Na? Attack on that particular organ and infect in our body, and after then that is known as infection. Some missed terms related to the infection. How can you know that body is infect in your body? Na? That question. Do you know that thing parasite? Parasite means some microorganism present in body that is known as, that is support that some example of disease, typhoid, ringworm, pneumonia, also known typhoid, very common disease. When weather changing, you drink the contaminated water, then fever comes in your body, and typhoid also attack on your liver. And then ringworm and pneumonia is also attack on the lung. And pathogens, microbes that causes disease. The microbes which cause the disease, that is known as pathogen. And next one, vector. You also read this topic in physics, but in biology, vector is other thing. Means introducing of that parasite. Suppose that in your body any disease come, then any parasites that is come in form of microorganism. You also drink water, eating food. By that medium, enter your body and infect that. That means introducing parasite, that is known as vector. Suppose common cold, very necessary, very means now common that nowadays suppose that cold is running. So means fluctuation in temperature also causes common cold. Influenza, that is known as, that is viral disease and infect our throat and causes that infection. These are some brief means lecture on this human health and disease. In our next lecture, we also proceed the next topic in deeply. Thanks and have a nice day.